What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. I'm going to be taking you guys to church with me. I am not going to cap, it's been a while since I've been to church, but nevertheless, God is always welcoming with open arms. So I just decided to do a little vloggy vlog today for you guys. So first I'm going to make breakfast, then I'm gonna eat. After I eat, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. That's washing my face, taking a shower, brushing my teeth. Then I'm gonna put my clothes on. After putting my clothes on, I'm going to do my hair. I might do makeup, I'm not sure as yet, but yeah, that's how it's gonna go. Breakfast menu is basically eggs mixed with bacon and a jumbo sausage. I'm going to fry the sausage by itself because that's how I like it. Then I'm going to scramble the eggs with the bacon and some cheese. Nothing too much, something light. Then I'm going to pair that with my favorite rolls, some Hawaiian rolls. And there it is, topping it off with some chocolate tea. So wipe away every tear from their eye. Yes, get ready for the revolution. Yep, after breakfast, it's now bath time. I'm finna brush my teeth, then wash my face. Right after that, I'm going to be taking a shower. On the note of this, I see you guys asking me for like routines, like skincare routines mostly. I think I'm definitely going to do one soon, but y'all are gonna be so disappointed when you see what's tea, because I really do not be using a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna do a routine for you guys soon. Fresh out the shower, new girl, who is this? Sitting my little dancey dance as usual. Today's fit is this black and green dress, my black heels, and my black bag. Simple does it, guys, simple does it. And these are the stuff that are going to make me scumdiddlyumptious. I probably should have done this the other way around, but typical Rafaya, always trying to look something her way. I'm not trying to be late, so guys, don't come for my edges. Come on. At this point, guys, I was not trying to be late, so I was just hurrying to take the 2 pigtails I had in out, just to wet my hair a little bit, put some moisturizer in there, as well as to just do my edges. And that was that for me and my hair. I didn't even bother to put any makeup on because I was really feeling the bare face with the lashes, me looking all cute and all that. Yep, so this is how we looking, y'all. This is what I'm going with. I wanted to get a full body for you guys, but unfortunately I couldn't. Morning, thank you.
Among heaven, whereby we must be saved. Jesus is the rock of your salvation. And it's not only salvation, hear me now, that is needed from the rock.
Hi. Hi.
Yes. Say hi for your friends.
Nice to meet you. Hi.
She's supposed to be just for the weekend. I don't know. I love her. I want to keep her. Hey, boo boo. Let me go see. We gonna talk. Oh, they should take picture together. Yeah. Well, we gonna talk. Okay.
Bye. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap from me. As you can see, I'm about to leave church to go straight home. So thank you guys for watching. If you've reached far in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave some positive comments. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the continuous love and support. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.
May I have your attention, please?